Hey guys, ooh, I'm about to slay my hair today, okay? Period. So let me just show y'all the inspo pic. This is how I'm gonna do my hair today. Hold on.
Hello, champ. Here to keep your hollow skills sharp.
Okay. Watch me try to achieve this look. Not try, I'm about to slay. You already know what's going on. YouTube girly. Sound get it twisted. Okay. I already braided my hair in the back. Now I just gotta do the front. Y'all, so why did I get one braid done so far and it just looks so good? Look at it. Hey, I cannot wait to finish my hair. But first I gotta take a donut break. I got 2 braids down. It's looking fire, y'all. Like, stop playing. I cannot wait to finish my hair. It's gonna be so cute. I'm still not done with my hair, y'all. It's 9:49. I got this much left to go. It's about, what, 3 braids? I'm so tired. I had to take a little breaky break. And now I'm about to finish up. I cannot wait to be finished. I can't wait, y'all. Hey. Day 2 of doing my own hair. Ooh, my braids came out real cute. Real cute. So I braided my hair already. And then I'm just gonna sew this wig onto the back. Hey. Y'all, my head hurt so bad. I went crazy on these braids. And now my head hurts. Ouch. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna use these 2 combs on the wig, put it on my head, and stick the combs in these braids, my anchor braids right here. So attach the comb right here and right here. Okay, I got my needle threaded. Now it's time to get to sewing.